is, what if I can't imagine someone differently? So we get this a lot. If I can't imagine my father being affectionate, or I can't imagine my mum being, praising me. The answer to this is, number one, remind yourself this is not them. This is not those people. Those people can't fit inside your head. This is literally just neurons connecting in your own brain. So, it doesn't have to be believable. So this is just imagination, number one. And number two, the reason you may find it difficult to imagine someone differently, apart from the logic, which we've just answered. So the logic, like they would never have done that. That's a very common thing. So the answer to that piece, that logic, is this isn't them. So it's true. I would acknowledge it and say, yes, that's true. They would never have done that. And this is not them. This is my brain. So that's that part. The other part of it, though, can be that your brain may be feeling it's or seeing it as dangerous to change, or that it's not possible. And the solution to that is, and you can try it now with me. You can follow along now if you like. Imagine that person, so mother, father, teacher, whoever it is, imagine that person in front of you, and whatever color hair they have, just change the color of their hair. So if they have, dark hair, make it blonde. If it's red hair, make it dark. Just change the color of their hair. And then, and if you find resistance to that, remind yourself this is just neurons. So neurons were firing in this particular way, which gave them dark hair. Now you're just changing the way the neurons in your brain are firing to give them light colored hair, or red hair, or blue hair. You can choose whatever color you like. It's your brain. And so once you've done that, give them a different hairstyle. So, short, long, pigtails, plaits, whatever, mohawk, play around with it. Choose to have fun with this, because the more fun you have with it, the lower the level of stress chemicals, the higher the level of feel-good chemicals, and the easier it'll be to do. And keep reminding yourself, this is just you. There's nobody else here. That person is not involved. Then put a red nose on them, put a feather boa, give them long eyelashes, play around, give them a moustache, play around with the image of that person, just to kind of make it more pliable, just to loosen up that concept that you have of them, and for your brain to see, to experience that it's safe to do this. There's no danger involved. And then, you can make them sit down, stand up, jump up and down, dance. So play around, have some fun with it. So that'll loosen it up. And then go back and see if you can now imagine that person being kind, or being affectionate, or whatever you were trying to do, change them to. If it's still tricky, then you may need to change other memories that are connected. So you could ask yourself, how do I know that I can't make them affectionate, or, and notice what happens inside you, and then address that. And of course, if you need help, put a comment in the chat, or the comment section. Reach out to us, or reach out to one of our practitioners. I'll put the link to the practitioners in the description of this video, and in the pinned comment.